Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fix Unibet login issue. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in unibet.co.uk and search. This will take you to the official page for Unibet. Go to the login button at the top right and click on it. While logging into your Unibet account, if you are having trouble, then first of all, ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Consider if caps lock might be on and accidentally typing in your password incorrectly. After rechecking your information, click on Login and you might be able to fix your issue if the problem was credentials related. If you still can't log into your account, even after entering the correct credentials, then you will need to go ahead and clear your cache and cookies from your web browser. Simply go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner from your web browser and then click on the settings button. After opening up the settings menu, click on Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down to Clear Browsing Data option and click on Choose what to clear right next to Clear Browsing Data now. Now in the Clear Browsing Data page, select the time range from where you'd like to delete the data from and then in the boxes, click on Cached Images and Files. Also make sure to click on Cookies and Other Site Data, but remember that this will sign you out of most of the sites out there. If you don't want to be signed out of these sites, make sure to leave the box unchecked. Just make sure to click on this Cached Images and Files option. If you want to clear out browsing histories, click on Browsing History and finally click on Clear Now. Now the data from the selected time range will be deleted. Get back to the Unibet website and try logging into your account now. After you clear out your data and cache from your web browser, you might be able to log in again and access your account. If you're on a computer, try logging in from a different web browser or device to see if the issue persists. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to log into your Unibet account or your Unibet account is having issues logging in. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.